Hello. In this video, I will show you how to create a chatbot in the Botsify Agentic platform. Click on the Create button, and here you can see the options for chatbot, agent, and voice settings. Click on the chatbot option, and let's name it Support. Here you can see our screen. We can simply define any kind of flow. I have my instructions here. Press Enter. Okay, it's done. In the instructions, I have mentioned two things: file search and web search. So let's add them. Click on the knowledge base. First, select web search, and here I'll add my website. Click Connect. Now the file search connection is ready. Go to the file section. Okay, I think I'm done. Now we can define things further. I don't need anything else for now. So let's keep it as it is. Let's start and see how it works. Okay, pretty good. Let's ask about a product. But I just noticed two things. First, the greeting message isn't attractive or friendly. So let's change it. It's pretty easy. Go back to your agent. You can define the message your message or leave on agent to handle it. This will give the agent direction. Then it will decide what message it should display. Okay, now let's update it. Simply go back to the agent. Delete this conversation and let's see if it has been updated. As you can see, it's much better now. We can further customize it if we have a specific message in mind. For example, we can remove these types of phrases. That way, it will sound more human and natural. So that's it for the chatbot. This is how you can build one. Thanks for watching.